Welcome back now, crew. Welcome back, welcome back, welcome back. So I have another video for you guys today. It's going to be short and sweet. So I already started by gluing on the nail tips. The nail tips that I'm using today is called Universal Tips, and it's from the company Not Polished. These are some super long, sleek, sexy nails. I'm telling you guys, these are summer nails. My God, I love these tips so much. So I'm showing you guys how long they are. It's crazy. Oh my gosh, I cannot wait to soak my nails off and use these tips to give me some long, sexy coffin nails. Ooh, I just can't wait. All right, so I went ahead and glued the tips on off camera, and now I'm building the nail with some clear acrylic. So as you can tell, I'm just building the nail. Like, I don't know, there's nothing to say here. I'm just building the nail. So I'm just gonna go ahead and let's just speed this clip up. Let's just speed it up because this part is boring. All right, so here we go. I sped that clip up a little bit, but the purpose of laying down this clear layer of acrylic first is to protect the natural nail plate, and it also protects the nail tip and the nail plate from staining, especially if you're using really dark acrylic like reds and blacks and colors like that. But also it saves your money by saving the colored acrylic. So the more clear acrylic you use in your sets, the less colored acrylic you're using, which saves you money in the long run. So I like to use more clear and less color. Speaking of color, get into this pink, y'all. Oh, get into this pink. I know I'm a pink lover. So maybe I'm just falling in love here because I love pink. I don't know. But this color is giving me all kinds of life right now. And look at that. Look how it's laying down. Look how it's going on the nail. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. The color is giving me life. The feel of it is very like creamy, very like buttery, and that's giving me life too. So I'm getting like a visual stimulation of beauty, and I'm getting like a tactile feel of beauty. It's like all my senses are like going crazy right now. Like, I just love that pink. I love that pink. All my ladies out there that love pink, you guys are gonna love this set. You're gonna love it. You're gonna love it. And then this lighter color pink, y'all, also, oh my gosh, it just feels so good. It just really feels good. Like, I don't know what to say. It's not marbling. It does not feel chalky. It does not feel chalky at all. It's very like smooth and creamy. That's all I can say. Smooth and creamy. Like, that's the best way to describe this acrylic. Look at that. Oh my gosh, that's so pretty. It's so pretty. I kind of want to add glitter. That would just make me scream because I love pink. You guys know that. But I also love glitter. Like, who doesn't love glitter, right? We all love glitter. So I want to add glitter to this nail. But I'm not going to because this is a recreation. And in my first nail that I did not use glitter. So I'm not going to use glitter today. However, the next time I pull out this combination, I might just throw in a little glitter. We'll see. All right, so I'm laying down my last bead, and as you can tell, I'm giving you guys a nice close-up. It's going on like a dream. I'm just so happy. When things work out for me, I just get so excited. That is so pretty. That is so pretty. So I'm just going to add a little bit more of this darker pink color and brush it back because I want the tip to be really, really dark and pigmented so that it looks like a nice fade into the color, you know? Oh my God, that is so pretty. That is so pretty. Give me guys another little close-up. I love it. I know you guys love it. I know you guys are just loving. So go ahead. If you do not do it already, go ahead and give me a thumbs up right now. And in the comment section, #love it. That's all I want to see. That's all I want to see. #love it. So anyway, so the ombre is done, and now I'm doing just a quick encapsulation. So just like I said in the beginning, guys, I like to start off with clear. I do my color, and then I do clear right on top. That is saving my colored acrylic, my precious colored acrylic, y'all. I'm saving the colored acrylic by using a very little bit amount, and I just use a lot of the clear because usually the clear is cheaper than the colored acrylic, so that's just why I like to do that. I mean, I have other reasons as well, but those are the main reasons I like to save money. But this is what the nail looks like, and I am so thrilled already. We didn't even get to anything yet. We just did an ombre. And I'm excited. All right, let me show you guys the colors that I use. So the first one is Nude Panther, and it's from the company Not Polish, and I do have a discount code in the description box, you guys. You know I love to get you guys discount codes. I do. Next color is called Glow Getters. Glow Getters, Glow Getters, and Nude Panther go together so well. You think they would hire me to make their jingles? I don't know. Somebody call them. Find out. All right, so I'm going to use my Aircy e-file today. I'm using my Aircy. So as you can tell, like, it's coming on and off, right? There is a foot pedal. So when you step on the foot pedal, it turns it off. When you take your foot off of the foot pedal, it spins or rotates the drill bit. So I just wanted to show you guys that real quick. And the reason I'm using my Aircy drill today instead of my Bell drill that you guys always see me use is because there's a giveaway. So the giveaway for my Aircy e-file is at the end of the month, and it's only for my members who have pressed that join button and have joined me. Thank you guys so much. There's a lot of stuff that I have to do for my members. You know, I'm really slow at getting the ball rolling here because I did not think people were going to join so quickly. Like, I thought I had time, but you guys just pressed that button and went to joining so quickly. I'm like, oh my, like, I'm not even ready. I'm not ready. So there's a lot of stuff I want to do for you guys. Trust me, it's going to be great. It's going to be great. We're going to kick off my members giveaway with an Aircy e-file. So the one that you guys get will look exactly like this one, but it's new and it's never been used before. I just wanted to pull it out to get you guys excited and hype and everything. So when I do the giveaway, you'll be really, really pumped about getting a good quality e-file. The person that got an Aircy e-file from me last year, hey girl, hey, she said she still uses it and it works well. So I'm so happy. I'm so happy that one, she got the e-file, but I'm even more happy that it still works for her and she still uses it. So that's what I love to hear. That's what I love to hear. So I'm hoping that whoever wins this one is just as grateful for it, you know? Okay, so let's just get into the rest of this nail art. I am using transfer foil from iGel Beauty and transfer foil gel from iGel Beauty. If they're still having their sale, they were having like a 60% off sale. If they're still having their sale, you guys can go check them out. If not, go to my Amazon storefront. The link will be in the description box. Go to my Amazon storefront and check out the different transfer foils that I have there. Now this one, guys, is beautiful. Look at that. I had to give you guys a close up. So let's start by brushing on this transfer foil gel. There are transfer foil gels that dry by air. This one, however, you have to put in the lamp and cure it for 30 to 60 seconds. So you want to brush it on and you have to make sure the entire nail is covered. Otherwise, you'll get little gaps in where you want the transfer foil to stick. If it's not sticky, well, it's not going to stick. So make sure you do nice even coats and you cover the entire nail. Once that is done, you pop her in the oven. Pop her in the oven, pop her in the oven and let her bake, bake, bake. So this is what it looks like when it comes out the oven. Nice and shiny and sticky, but don't touch it. If you touch it, you'll ruin the stickiness of it. And then obviously you'd have to start all over. So I put the finger back in the stand, as you guys can tell, because putting on transfer foil is a two-hand job. Well, for me, it is anyway. So I put Nala's finger back into the stand just so that I could have my two hands. And all you do is press the foil down onto the finger. That's it. You press it down and kind of like rub it in so that all of it has contact with the nail. And just press, press, press. And whenever you feel like all of it has transferred, then you peel it off. It's actually a very simple way to make your nail art look like you're really good. You know what I'm saying? Like, you know good and well you can't draw these flowers. I can't draw these flowers. If someone asked me to freehand some flowers, they're gonna look like a hot mess. You might as well go to kindergarten right now and find you somebody to finger paint a flower on your nail if you come to me and ask for some freehand art, because it's just not gonna happen. It's just not gonna happen. But if you have some beautiful transfer foil art like this, the possibilities are endless. Like, the possibilities are endless. Like, you could just look like you are just the greatest nail tech ever. when really you're not, you know? So I really appreciate whoever thought of this. You're brilliant, and I thank you. I thank you. So by the time I'm done with this nail art, it's going to look gorgeous, almost vintage, and it's going to look like it took me a long time. When reality, people, this was just so simple. It's crazy. All right, so to top it off, I'm using matte polish from the company Not Polished. Again, for the win. The acrylic is creamy and just buttery, and I love it. And their matte top coat is so matte and velvety. So you brush it on, and it's super shiny, and you're like, okay, well, it's shiny. It's supposed to be matte, but y'all, wait until you put it in the oven. Wait until you put it in the oven. Because she's going to come out like super velvety matte, y'all. Look at that. Let me just let me shut up. Boom. Pow. Boom. Pow. Look at that. The matte on, because you know I'm a glossy girl. You know I love gloss. But the matte on the flowers with the ombre background definitely looks vintage. I love it. So in love. Okay, so now we have to add a little bling, y'all. And let me tell you something. This is a recreation piece that I did the other day, and I posted it to my Instagram, and you guys wanted me to make a video, so I'm making a video. Now listen, in the first one that I did not add bling. I know, but man, I don't know. I just really wanted to add bling. I'm so sorry, y'all. I'm sorry. I'm like, dang, Nikki, you ain't putting the glitter that you want. You want glitter, you not putting glitter. Let's do a little bling. So I'm just doing a little bling. I'm sorry. Forgive me. For all of you that just wanted me to recreate the nail that I posted on Instagram the other day, I'm sorry. It's almost the same thing. It's almost the same. I just needed something to shine at me. I needed something to shine, okay? So what I think is super cool is that the matte with the contrast of the bling is just so pleasing. It's just so pleasing, y'all. I love it. I love it. So let's pop that in the oven. Let's give that a good quick cure. And this is what we have, y'all. Beautiful. It looks like it took me all day. It looks like I really put a lot of effort into this nail, and I really didn't. You guys sat here and watched me. This took like literally no effort at all. And you know what I would do? This would be a perfect accent nail to a set of green nails. You see the green in the leaves? I will do a green set, that color or shade of green. I will do a green set and let this be the accent nail to the green set. Bam! All right, nail crew, thanks for watching. That's a wrap. Thanks for sticking with me until the end. And if you guys want me to do more videos like this where I just do one quick accent nail, let me know. This was so fun, so easy, straight to the point. And also, if you recreate this look, #nail crew. on Instagram so that I can find it and post it in my stories. Until next time, guys. Bye.